In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup formulas, specifically through creating fields. If you're managing projects or teams and need to perform calculations or create dynamic fields in Clickup, this feature is incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and explore how you can do this efficiently. First, you need to head over to the Clickup website. Open your preferred web browser and go to clickup.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed in the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to proceed. Now, you'll see several login options. For simplicity, let's streamline your login process by choosing Continue with Google. If you're already logged into your Google account, this step should be a breeze. Simply select the account you wish to use with Clickup and you'll be logged into your workspace without any hassle. Once logged in, locate your workspace from the left-hand panel. This panel is your primary navigation tool, so don't feel overwhelmed if it's your first time. Navigate carefully to your space where your projects reside. This ensures you are precisely where you need to be to utilize formulas effectively. After you're in your desired space, shift your attention to the top banner where you'll find an option labeled Table View. Click on this to transition to the layout where organizing data becomes much more manageable. Next, you'll want to add a column by clicking the plus icon situated on the right side. Clicking this icon opens up possibilities to customize your table view further. Among the options you'll find is Formula. This is our focus today, so go ahead and click on Formula to initiate setting up your formula field. After selecting Formula, you'll need to input a name for this field. Naming your fields succinctly yet descriptively can help when dealing with multiple formulas. So take a moment to think about a name that accurately reflects the purpose or data that this field will represent. Once you've entered a suitable name, click on Create, which solidifies the addition of your new formula field to the project. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the formula field you've just created to bring up the interface where you get to input your specified formula. Begin by clicking on Select Field. This will give you a list of pre-existing data fields in your project, from which you can choose an appropriate one that fits the formula you're aiming to build. After selecting the necessary field, choose any other operators or options you need to complete your formula's syntax. Take your time with this, as it can greatly impact the efficiency and outcome of your task management. Once you're satisfied with the formula you've structured, simply click Calculate. This action finalizes your formula, and just like that, you're ready to utilize this highly beneficial feature in Clickup. And there you have it, setting up and using formulas in Clickup made easy. With practice, you'll find this capability enhances how you manage and analyze your data, bringing your project management to new levels of efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and happy calculating with Clickup.